Welcome to our Group 5 presentation, and I am Nguyễn Đăng Ha. And today we will present and demonstrate our online service system, the online shopping service system. So in this presentation, we will introduce briefly about our app, and then we'll talk the core design, and finally we'll have a demonstration of our app. So to introduce our app, our motivation for creating this app is to think about a solution for modern shopping, and our app is a full stack web application, and to make it more functional and operative, this app is designed for everyone, for every kind of user roles, not only customers, but for the admin and sellers as well. So I will talk. So there's some key points for each kind of user roles. For admins, we aim for the data organization, and for the sellers, we aim for the product information correctness, clarity, and integration with as the shop processes. And finally, for the customers, we would like to our app not only for buying and selling things. We would like our customer to have a great experience. We would like they to have an effortlessness and user-friendly experience, and make our browsing session to be memorable. And next I will talk about the application design. The first thing I will cover is the high-level design. So this is a full stack application. So of course it will have back-end component and front-end component. The back-end components ensure the seamless communication with the MongoDB database and handles data storage and retrieval. And for the front-end component, we'll break it into the 3 components for each kind of user roles. The first is the customer front end. It allows the customers to interact and make the purchases from the database. The seller front end component empowers sellers to create and manage their products in the database. And finally, the admin front end component provides administrative control over sellers and product categories. And for deployment and at the first hand, we are launching our app on a local host with MongoDB cluster at the cloud database. And next we'll talk the interactions and security design. So as we say before, the interactions can be summarized in front-end and back-end communication via MongoDB. To be precise, the customer will interact with the app GUI front-end, and then the front-end and back-end will communicate, and the app will render the appropriate information as the customer needs. And the customer, sellers, or admin will have the ability to create, read, delete, and edit the product information. And for the security, we have implemented an authentication function. To be precise, for example, the customers who would like to use our service have to sign up for an account by using their credentials, and then they have to log in. With it, they have to log in, and then they will be able to use our service. And for the sellers, it will be more than that. They will have even to have the approval from the administrator. And the next thing we'll cover is the low-level design, and this will be presented.
Hello teacher, my name is Nguyễn Công Thinh, and I will talk about the low-level design component of our app. So we have 4 components in total. The first one will be the backend component, which contain the server.js. The server.js will handling requests and managing communication with the MongoDB database, which consists of four important collections: account, seller, order, and products. The server.js ensures data integrity, security, and availability for the front-end app to update, to manipulate data like uh, update, read, and delete. The second one will be the customer design, the customer component. The customer component will consist of basic login and sign up function. The customer can log in with either their email or with their phone number. Uh, for the customer website, the user can use the required function like filtering, sort product, and also handling cart like add product to cart and make an order with all the product in the cart. For the seller, they have the similar login and sign up function like the customer. But when doing the registration, the seller have to have another information, which is their business name. For the seller, they are provided with functionality for create, delete, and update product and then push it to the database. They are also able to see the order that the customer create that contain theirs. Lastly will be the admin component. The admin can create a category and their subcategory, and furthermore for the seller to create a new product. Admin could also manage the seller account, that they can approve and reject an account. If the seller account got rejected, the seller could not log into the website. And now I will demonstrate the customer website. So this is the design of the customer website. We have all the product display here, and then all the filtering function here. First will be sort by price. As you can see, it will sort from the most expensive to the cheapest. And then we also sort by date from the sort by date. We also have sort by date here. Then we also have search by name. Here, like this. And then we also have the return all. We also find by category. For example, I want to find electric product. I click here. I want to find vehicle product. I want to find the car, which is the subcategory. Mobile. Ship. Oh yeah, I don't have any ship product yet. So return all. And then I will log in my account. So I will create a new one, which is the phone number will be some random number. Address will be okay. So I have signed up successfully. Now I will log in. Okay, successful. So for the cart, I have an empty cart. Now I just need to add some product. When I add a cart, I will choose the quantity. I want to add 10. Then the grass mower, I want to add about 5. And then for the I want a mobile, I add 6. Now for here, okay, so in here we also have it, but Also, I have all the product in the cart with the correct quantity. Now I don't want the grass mower anymore. I delete it. Now I make an order for all the product inside the cart. Now the order will be updated and I just need to come back. So after making an order, all the product in the cart will be deleted, and here it will be all the cart product. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Alright, moving on to the admin part. There are pretty much two sections in the front end of the admin. The first one is the category management, and the second one is the sellers management. The first one, category management, pretty much I can create a new category. Let's just say I want to create like category called house here. Submit, and then yes, I can definitely create that. Just reload it, and then data will be fetched again, and then you can see here the house is being displayed over here. Now also I can also delete it because now house is not it's not associated with any product or any category whatsoever. I can delete it, right? So as you can see here, category deleted successfully. Okay, reload it, and it's no longer there. All right, what about subcategories? Also a thing, right? So let's just we can have a look here. So in vehicle, I have subcategories which are car, motorbike, and ship. Trying to create a new one. How about plane? Submit. Yes, successfully. Okay, reload this. Vehicle. Yes, plane. As you can see. All right, and the same deletion process should also be applied. So delete category. Okay, reload vehicle, and there should be no plane anymore. Now the second part of the admin front end is the sellers management. So as you can see here, they are all rejected right now, and I can approve them. That's pretty much it. But if you really want to have a look at how how you can change your pending, then I suggest that we should make a new seller here. Let's make a new seller. Hi something something. Wait, no, this is supposed to be a number. I don't know. Business name. Hi business. Alright, sign up. And it says over here, sign up successfully, suppose. So let's log in with that new credentials I just made. hi@gmail.com. Hi. Log in. Seller not approved. Oh, what did you know? I'm not approved. What's going on right now is that, well, we have to see it through the admin's view, right? So hi business is over here, but it's pending, so I cannot log in. What I want to do, select approve or reject, right? So I can approve it. Let's approve it. And it's already been approved. All right, go back here. Okay, log in again successfully. All right, got already logged in. All right, so inside the front end of a seller, now this is going to the seller part, I can filter things out, and I can add a new product, and of course I can later on delete them. Let's try to do that. Let's try to sell something. Under vehicle, I kind of want to sell, let's say, a car. Click car. I want to sell VinFast, real fast. Price, I put $100. Put the date today. Today is 11. Yes, I don't have a URL for right now. It's a little bit time consuming, so let's just keep that. Add item. Add new product successful. Alright, so it has been successfully added. As you can see here, it has already popped up onto my screen. And all I need to, and if there should be anything that I run out of stock or something like that, I can hit delete item. Product removed successfully. Okay, and then it just disappears. That's it.